I love coconut cakes. I don't know about you, but I know that a lot of people also out there love coconut cake. Meanwhile, I am here to give you the best coconut cake recipe. In this video, you're going to be learning how to do coconut cake. And remember, our recipes for you to support us are just 1,000 naira. For you to support this YouTube channel, just 1,000 naira, and I'm going to send you the full recipe. Alright, let's get into the video immediately. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, click on the notification button, be the first person to receive and get our videos when we post them. You're going to love this, and I'm sure you're going to love it. Let's go. Alright, so the ingredients for the coconut cake right now, let's go into it. So we have the butter and the sugar. So I have already turned this to be white and fluffy. So you turn to be white and fluffy. Let me tell you something new today. Of course, the process of turning butter and sugar to be white and fluffy like this is called creaming. Right? So you turn until white and fluffy like that. Remember, I can give you the full recipe when you hit me up in the description section of this video, and you're going to see the full recipe. It's just 1,000 naira, and I'll send it to you. Right? So we have this is the preservative. I try to use powder liquid preservatives. I like to use liquid preservatives like 501, One Man Squadron. This is flavor, coconut flavor, of course. This is milk. This is milk, powdered milk. This is baking powder, and this is desiccated coconut. I'm going to show you something lastly that we're going to use. And these are eggs. We have eggs right here, and we have flour right here. So we get into it. After turning to be white and fluffy, the next thing you're going to put will be your preservative. So you put your preservative and you turn. I'm trying as much as possible to make this video very, very short. Remember, I have made other videos on red velvet cake. You're going to see it coming up right now, and it's also in the description section, how to make an extra moist red velvet cake. I also dropped a video on how to make chocolate cake. There's a video on how to make sponge cake. There is a video on how to make carrot cake. There's a video on how to make, what cake would you like us to make videos on? There's even a video on how to make fruit cake, so just link up. So this is the coconut flavor. I try as much as possible not to use, I'm not going to mention the brand names, but try to use commercial flavors. It is going to give you a better feel. It's going to give you a better feel on your cake. Try to use industrial flavors, commercial flavors. The next thing I'm going to put now, right about now, is the egg. So I'm just going to pour in my egg. And oh my goodness, it just poured, oh my god! I poured in my egg next. Alright, I poured in my egg. Remember, if you want the full recipe, just hit me up on my social media where I hang out. Send 1,000 naira to my account, send proof of payment, and you're going to get a full recipe. That's how we roll. Alright, and after this, the next thing we're going to add down is the milk. Oh no, not the milk, please. You're going to add the what is that? Baking powder, please. The baking powder is next. The baking powder is next, and you just keep turning. I like to use the clockwise movement. And the next thing you're going to put down is the milk, powdered milk. Use Mixie. Mixie is better. I love to use Mixie a lot. After that, we're almost done with making the amazing coconut cake. After the Mixie, you're going to add your flour. It's time to add your flour. You can add this in bits. You can add this in bits and just fold in at this point. You just fold in at this point. Let me go back a little bit. Remember that when you are putting your eggs, make sure you whisk it to be very, very foamy and watery. Mix it to be very foamy and watery before you start putting it inside your cake batter. And don't forget that when you're going to be baking this, you're going to be using baking paper, baking sheets, or you just cream your cake pans with butter and a sprinkle of flour. Alright, now the next I'm going to be putting after the flour will be the desiccated coconut. The desiccated coconut. The desiccated coconut. I don't know, but please, if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section of this video, and I will surely reply you ASAP. So please do that. And I hope my videos, of course, I've been getting your feedbacks and I really appreciate them. So you just fold in your butter, and then you add the desiccated coconut. And there is one magic coming on next after the desiccated coconut. I am bringing one magic in just now, and that is called the coconut flex. The coconut flex. This is coconut flex, and you can add this as much as you want. You can just add it to your desired quantity. All right, just add it to your desired quantity. I want it a little much, and that is it. And after turning it everywhere, you can also just put it at the top side of your cake. It would still make a lot of sense. I think that was too much. Okay, I think I'm good. I like having that. So it's optional for you to have the coconut flakes. It's optional, extremely optional. And ladies and gentlemen, drum rolls, drum rolls, drum rolls, drum rolls. This is our batter for the coconut cake. So we're just going to take this and pop it in the oven, and in 30 to 40 minutes it will be out, and it's already aroma I'm having here at the studio is already amazing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do well to share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Turn on your notification button and be the first to get notified every time we drop a new video. Remember, our recipes are just 1,000 naira. Just hit me up anywhere on my social media. Send 1,000 naira to my account and proof of payment, and you're going to get the full recipe of this. Thank you so much, and see you next time.